even though we've been pushing it, it's still
at an angle.
So what I'll do is, well, I guess I don't really need to do anything. We can push it. Hey.
What is
That'll work.
I turned the power off to this while we're working on it, and it might be the same one, same circuit.
Alright, crank on it.
You know, that's how they built the pyramids.
With wood?
With levers.
Holly, why don't you pull on this too?
Seriously? Because I will.
I can get a bigger or a stronger pry bar than this.
Mind your way.
Better. This one's still pretty loose.
I tighten it there, babe. I think it'll be fine.
Okay. You're like, I don't want to do this anymore.
No, we want it to run fast like it used to.
Tighten the back one in the corner over here too then. So
See, I told you that.
Two of them tight.
I told you that fly press was going to get in the way.
Actually, it's perfect right now. It's a great lever point.
That's why Logan didn't move it, because he knew you were going to need it. White kitty.
Black kitty.
Black kitty. What are you tightening?
There's a bolt that holds the motor onto the motor mount.
Oh, so.
Slot.
Oh, so okay.
Okay. You can stop now, Mr. Muscles. Still. Well, it's certainly better. Certainly better.
Tighter.
Yeah, it's definitely better than it was. They're pretty even.
Eh, this,
no,
not really.
These here still.
Let's try
they're
harder.
definitely where they were.
Let's try harder.
Definitely better than they had been.
Well, now that I can loosen one of these and pull that out more, although I don't want to over tighten these two is the thing.
Yeah, you'll have to leave that one locked in so that this one can
move to let the whole thing pivot.
Actually, we want to leave this one. Loosen that one, leave this one, because that's a better focal point to come off of back here.
Focal point?
You know, it's
Masterson. You just said a word. Come on, what's the right word? What's the word? Say the word. Fulcrum?
Not a fulcrum point.
It's a falcon point.
It's a point.
This is the point from which all things fly.
So did you start this job by just kind of greasing your hands?
Yes.
Okay, just to be prepared.
If you put grease on first, then the extra grease doesn't stick to you.
It leaves you alone.
It's like covering yourself with mosquitoes so you don't get bitten.
This is what happens when you go on vacation.
You come back and you get dirty. Lauren saw me and she goes, "Oh my God, your fingernails are clean."
Oh, what'd you do? Wash your hands a lot
I
when you were on vacation?
I just didn't work for 14 days.
It's the holy water.
It was definitely the Dead Sea.
Well, okay, this is a temporary fix though, because we're gonna have to get some new belts here pretty soon.
No, those are new belts.
Oh, so what happened?
They're only a couple years old at the moment.
They're only a couple years old.
Seriously.
How long should a belt last?
Good question.
30 years.
Yeah. We've gotten
of continuous
5 years out of
use.
the belts on that big one before.
Well, you know they don't make things like they used to.
This is very true. Don't know when. Don't know when.
I would say that's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I don't want to get it too tight because then it's hard on the motor.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we're just gonna have to fire it up and see
Okay.
if it runs as fast as it
Go ahead and
used to.
tighten that one in the corner.
Put your hand in there and we're gonna turn it on.
Okay. Sounds good.
Don't worry, you're covered by workers' comp.
Yeah, maybe I'll get some more vacation time.
When you're in the hospital, it's not really qualified as vacation time.
And it's better though if you can watch movies in bed. eat lots of ice cream.
With one hand.
With one hand. Workers' comp will cover paying for Laura to spoon feed me, right? Right? Ready?
Better!
That seems to be a lot faster.
I think we've made an improvement. Wait, let me look back down in here while you're doing
that. Yeah, I think that helped it.
Now we could actually maybe get some forging done.
Nah.
It was like, my piece is getting cold, my piece is getting cold.
Like, well, at least I have some precision here.
Okay, you gotta tighten those back too.
Oh, okay. Thanks for that, Jimmy.
You're welcome.
Now back to the weather.
Okay, cool, we gotta move. We gotta do a shop talk here pretty soon.
Go.
I said, yeah. Hello. Hi. No, not anymore. She left. 5 minutes ago? I do not know. And I can't see her from my windows. Do you have 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 30 seconds? The battery's dead on the Wombat. And Jim has hooked it up to a trickle charger, but chances are the battery's dead. So what that means to you is it would be an additional investment of $60 to $70 to get a new battery so we can hopefully start the Wombat. Whew. Okay, thanks. Alright, bye. Marissa said we can buy new batteries from the Wombat if you need to. Okay. A 2-hour massage.